Cantoni Crow.
Birthday, Mike Osa. Nandito kami ngayon. Mike.
Yeah.
Bitaralan galawan.
How about Jesse L? Jesse L.
Yeah. The late Notorious B.I.G. son. Notorious B.I.G. son. Natirap pa.
How about Mac from 185 Bob's Talk?
Hey Jay, what for my man, Jimmy Alapage?
Yes, to me myself and yes, above. That's a show. Rappers Delight, yo.
Yeah,
I'm AKA Aka.
Jimmy Alapage.
Hey,
One more round. 60 seconds.
60 seconds, nigga. Yo, what's poppin', son? This is your
Nasa
host,
6:30 na, no? 30 na.
Puting Kalabaw, the God Anak Arau Jehan, but my new name is...
Yeah, when he puts in 6,
30 seconds.
30.
30 seconds into Mike Cosa's birthday.
Yeah, and 6 in 6, yeah. Yeah.
Into you.
30, 29, 28, 7,
J Skills is gonna do the countdown.
24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, motherfucker, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Sana'y malasing mo kami. Speech.
Birthday na naman, o may tuloy ng araw. Birthday ay daan, di ka marong kailan lang. Ngayon ay birthday, tapos
Salamatan.
speech.
Alright, maraming salamat sa pumunta sa aking garawan, sa aking ika-23 karawan. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng tropa ko na nandito.
Wow, alright.
Jay, okay.
Boss of Nero in the house.
It's here. J Skills, let your plan time.
Yeah, no. That's just Jason's lunch plan. But righteous one left arm. Yeah. Righteous one left arm. Thank you, motherfucker.
Mga shows abroad, overseas.
Umututo ko, pasensya na po. Highlights and see you soon. We're gonna party right now. Party's getting started. You hear me?
Yeah, it's coming August 18th. For one night only at the same time. Mike Cosas belated birthday bash at Victory Mall. See you there. For one night only. August 18, nigga. So many surprise guests, including Jehan Puting Kalabaw and with Itim na Kalabaw and Andrew E. Amoy Kalabaw. There's so many Kalabaw there. Yeah, including Lil Kalabaw. Wow. Yippee-yo, yippee-yay.
Bien.